to this Ready to Craft. In this video, I will show you how to create some simple and easy Valentine's Day cards using Readi-Board. To begin, I've printed out the art that I created specifically for these cards. Don't worry if you're not an artist, I'll add a link to this template in the video's description. I'm going to cut a piece of foam board a little bit larger than my paper size. Then I will apply spray adhesive to one side of my foam board and the back of my template. I like using a scrap piece of foam board to smooth down my paper. Now that our art is attached, the back is a little boring. So I'm going to use some sparkly wrapping paper that I found at my local Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut a large piece, giving myself a little wiggle room. Like before, we're going to apply spray adhesive to the back of the foam board, as well as the back of the wrapping paper. If your wrapping paper lays flat, you could lay it down first and then put the foam board on top. But mine's got a couple wrinkles. So I'm going to take my time and carefully lay down the wrapping paper. I have a couple wrinkles at the top here, so I'm just going to peel it up and retry. Before we begin cutting apart our Valentine's Day cards, I like to remove the excess wrapping paper. The adhesive makes it sticky and kind of difficult to work with. Now that that is out of the way, we can begin cutting. My printer happened to cut off the top lines of my cards, so I'm just going to cut at the top of my page. On the template, you should be able to see the light gray lines that will act as your cut marks. Notice that I try to keep my ruler over my art. This way, if my blade happens to slip, I'm only cutting scrap foam and not my actual project. This is the reason that you'll see small gaps in between each of the cards as well. If you need more than 6 cards, don't worry. You could just fill up an entire piece of Readi-Board with printout. If you go with this method, I recommend applying the wrapping paper in 2 parts. Remember when using spray adhesive to work in a well-ventilated area. There you have it, custom Valentine's cards that everyone is sure to love. If you try this craft out, we'd love to see it. Our social media links can be found in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's a foam board craft that you would like to see a Ready to Craft of, let us know in the comments.